Your Bitcoin just got caught in half overnight. Sell it or HODL, like millions of investors who refuse to give in. Hello everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the most iconic words in crypto, HODL. It started as a simple typo, but became a global strategy that shapes how millions survive Bitcoin's wild crashes. Stick with me, because in just a few minutes, you'll see why HODL is more than meme. It's a mindset. The origin of HODL, from a typo to a movement. Back in December 2013, a user named GameCube posted on Bitcoin Talk, "I'm HODLing." He meant to say he would hold his Bitcoin, even during extreme price swings. But here's the twist. HODL wasn't some genius investment term at the first. It was just a typo of hold. Yet, this small mistake didn't fade away like any ordinary typo. Instead, it turned into a global crypto culture, and millions of investors adopted it as a long-term strategy. Strange, right? What does HODL really mean? This strategy helps investors avoid losses from impulsive trading, benefit from long-term growth, resist fear, uncertainty, and doubt. However, HODL isn't only about money. It's about psychology. It builds patience and financial discipline. But why is that important? Because when everyone else panics, you stay calm and make smarter moves. The economic perspective of HODL. Economically, HODL looks like a smart way to manage risk in volatile markets. Historical data shows that investors holding Bitcoin for years almost always see positive returns. But there's a catch. Lower liquidity and limited short-term flexibility can be real challenges. Still, from a tokenomics perspective, HODL aligns perfectly with the principles of scarcity and demand, especially in assets like Bitcoin, which is capped at 21 million coins. The psychological edge of HODL. HODL also reduces emotional trading, your own panic sell during a dip. But does that mean it's always easy? Well, definitely not. It requires discipline and trust. Trust in the technology, trust in the project. Yet, those who master it develop long-term thinking and become stronger investors. More than a typo, a financial philosophy. In short, HODL is more than a typo. It's a financial and behavioral strategy that protects you from short-term chaos while letting you enjoy long-term success. But here's what's truly amazing. A tiny typo become a global phenomenon that changed the way millions invest in crypto. Will you HODL or panic? As you've seen, HODL isn't just a word. It's a mindset. And the question is, will you follow the crowd in panic? Or will you HODL when it really counts? Enjoyed this? Hit subscribe and ring the bell, because next time we'll uncover how sharding could shake the entire blockchain world. Quick question. Are you HODLing or trading? Tell me in the comments. Goodbye.